If you want to get Roblox Robux gift card for free, watch this video to end. In this video, I'll share with you the effective method to get a free Roblox Robux gift codes completely for free. So we're going to do from here is just go to this website. Don't worry, I will leave website link in comments. You can check the first comment to find the link. So guys, how does website work? Did you know that some people have tons of gift card codes they're not using? And many of them are about to expire. Instead of letting them go to waste, they sell these gift cards at super cheap prices to websites that use them for giveaways. It's a win-win. These giveaways are your chance to grab free gift cards without spending a dime. Why let those cards go unused when you can benefit from them? So what we're going to do is we're going to click Start Generate. After that, click Start. Now choose your device after that, click Continue. And wait until it's Generate Your Code. Now you need to complete the final step to get your free code. After complete the final step, you should see this message with your free Roblox Robux gift code has been generated successfully. Let's redeem it. Go to site, click on your profile, then redeem code. Pass the code. Now, like you see, it's working. Now you have Roblox Robux balance completely free. Try this method now and don't miss this free codes. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, drop a comment right below. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and share video with your friends.